guys, good noon, and I am at the station currently. We are going to Darjeeling, but currently we are going to Siliguri. I mean, our destination is Darjeeling, but first we will go to Siliguri because our sister, I mean my sister, live there with her family, I mean with her husband and daughter. So we are going to Siliguri first, and after that we will go to Darjeeling, and after that I will go to my relatives house with my family. I am not alone, I am with my family. तो मैं यहाँ वहाँ घूम रही हूँ क्योंकि व्लॉग करना लोगों के सामने थोड़ा सा ऑकवर्ड लगता है. सब लोग ऐसे ही देखते रहते हैं कि क्या कर रही है. सो आई एम हेयर, आई एम ऑल्सो एक्सप्लोरिंग द स्टेशन बिकॉज स्टेशन को थोड़ा सा रिपेयर किया गया हुआ है. सो इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे घूम रही हूँ और यहाँ पे कोई है भी नहीं. एंड वी आर वेटिंग फॉर आवर ट्रेन आने में बहुत देर है. सो मैंने सोचा थोड़ी सी घूम लेती हूँ. तो मैं पूरा शायद व्लॉग करूँगी, एंड दिस इज़ द थर्ड टाइम आई एम डूइंग व्लॉग, एंड आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू पोस्ट इट बिकॉज इसके पहले मैंने 2 बार ट्राई किया लेकिन मैंने वो डिस्कट कर दिया, मुझे बहुत अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. सो आई गेस दिस टाइम आई एम गोइंग टू कीप इट. एक्चुअली my friend suggests me to do vlog when I said him that I am going out, I mean I am going to Darjeeling. He said you have to do vlog, but I was like no, मुझे नहीं करना है, I will think about it. And yesterday he again said that don't forget to do vlogs, okay, just don't forget, you have to do vlog, you are going out. So that's why I am thinking I will do vlogs, and maybe this time I will post it. I guess I am going to meet one of my army friend. Army means she is a BTS fan, and army is the BTS's fandom. So I think I am going to meet her. She lives in Siliguri. I told her that I am going to Siliguri, so can you meet me? And she said that yes, she will meet me. So let's see. मिल पाते ही यहाँ पे नहीं. By the way, I don't know when I will post this vlog. Maybe I will edit this in between my traveling, in between my journey, and I will keep uploading this. Or maybe because I have some series to watch. Okay, I am watching BTS in the Soup, I will watch Sex Education, I will watch Money Heist, I will watch Nevertheless, and Kota Factory भी देखना है. तो I don't know I will get the time to edit the vlogs or not, but most probably I will edit them and I will keep posting them. So yes, continue watching, and now I'm stopping this. So we are at the junction, and maybe we will reach Siliguri by 9. Yes, by 9 I guess. And we are going to our sister's house, so I am really excited, but now I am feeling sleepy, so I will watch Money Heist. Good morning guys. So it's the next day, it's 9th October, and now the time is 12:45, and I am on the roof right now. By the way, I have done everything, like bathing, lunch, everything I have done, and now I will watch Run BTS because I haven't watched it last week because I downloaded Squid Game, and उसके वजह से सारा नेट ख़त्म हो गया, इसकी वजह से मैं नहीं देख पाई. So now I will watch Squid Game, I will watch Run BTS, and in the evening we will go for shopping, and we will go to visit a temple which is very famous here, and the name of the temple is Kon Temple. So we will go to visit the temple also with my family and with my sister, with niece. So yeah, let's see what happened today. We are going home now, and I bought a dress, I mean I bought an one piece, and I bought also one shirt for my brother, and we didn't get any time to go to the temple क्योंकि अभी बहुत देर हो चुकी है. Let me show the time. 10:30 बज रहे हैं. We are going home now, और मेरे साथ मेरा माँ और दीदी है, और मेरा भाई, और जो नीस है उसको जीजू लेके गए हैं बाइक See, she is my sister. Ball, hi.
Hi guys.
And she is my mom.
Hi.
So let's see you tomorrow. अभी हम घर पे जाएंगे और वैसे मैंने मोमो खाया और ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं खाया। ओह हाँ, और एक आइसक्रीम भी खाया, आई मीन कॉर्नेटो, बटर स्कॉच कॉर्नेटो। तो अभी हम घर जा रहे हैं, तो सी यू टुमारो। हे गाइस, सो शी इज़ माई नीस, मतलब मेरा सिस्टर का बेटी। सो मीट हर।
Hi, I am Lindsay. The name of my school is Sharda Shishta Shibong Road, 2 Mile. I am a girl. I am a student. I read in class 1. She is my Moni.
ইয়েস। আর কি কি বলার আছে? আর কিছু বলার নাই?
Bye bye guys. Good night.
Good morning guys, it's the next day, it's 10th October and the time is 10:52 AM and we are going to Darjeeling. So meet my father, Bolo, hi.
Hi.
And he is my brother. मैं बीच में भी जा चुकी हूँ और इस बार मैं हिल में जा रही हूँ। आई फील लाइक हिल इज़ बेटर दैन बीच, मतलब मुझे तो वही लगा क्योंकि हिल का व्यू काफ़ी अच्छा है, बीच में इतना अच्छा व्यू नहीं मिलता है और काफ़ी अच्छा व्यू मिल रहा है। मैं ना बीच बीच में क्लिप डाल दूँगी ताकि आप लोग मुझसे एंजॉय कर पाओ।